Yeah, what's good, fam? Today we'll be doing a video about all the girls' ride-ons that they have a lot at the moment. Managed to get a few from a person that lived a few kilometers away from home. They managed to give me a heap of new cars and fix them. We're about to start cleaning one of them at the moment. We call it the Mac. So at the moment there's one in the van. So far I can count there's about 12 cars so far in my backyard. The girl's going to help me showcase them. And you got this little one here. Everly just had her tooth pulled out, so she might not be in it. But this little monster here, Azalea, I think she might want to be in it too. So we got this one yesterday, which is now, what day is it today? It's Wednesday now, and we are on school holidays. We just got this yesterday. And this bad boy goes hard. Plan is, we're going to paint this black. We've already painted the Mac logo black. Paint the stacks black, and maybe we'll paint these ones black as well. And then we're going to clean up the body and maybe do the grill black. Sweet. So far we got this guy. I'm going to try and fix that one now. That one there. Yeah, baby. The Mac. The dump truck. The big boy. Azalea. Do you want to show everyone how you reverse park this one? Drive out of that gap. Yeah, I want you to drive out of that gap, go around and try and park it back in. Girl honestly has pretty good reversing skills, better than Amanda. There we go, reverse parallel parking, perfect. Let's see how straight you got this. Not bad. Well done.
Do you want to fix that, the green one?
Yeah, we're doing that now. Make sure an adult does this, guys. And the young ones try and do this. Because they might be live. How many volts is that? 6 volts, hey? Pause. So we're pretty much going to put 18 volts to a 6 volt car. We might blow the motor. We'll see. Just going to cut this rubber because I don't want to retain the length of the cable. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. Now, let's go get a battery attachment, and then we're going to put some terminals on this, and let's see if we blow a motor. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
I'm going to put these terminals on this, and then chuck a battery on it, and see how that goes. What do you reckon? Positive and explosion. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo!
You know that's gonna be for Rocky if I don't want it.
I know.
Can't make it too fast. It's gonna get crazy.
That one there safely. Alright, we're gonna swap roles. Just go in. Make your way in. That's it. Here we go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. So small, eh? Okay. The forwards are there, baby. The button's there. Oh gosh. So we've just lined up their girls' cars. Mind you, we've sold one forklift, which is now minus that. But this is what we've got so far as all their rides. Ready, set, Whoopah! You got all Jeep there. We just cleaned that up. That works now. We've got that big boy there. This one here is the one that runs on 36 volts. That one is an absolute weapon of a car. I've yet to fix this guy. Apparently it used to be 24, so I've got to fix that. Put a bigger battery in it. Well, this one we just recently picked up. Maybe we'll do some paint on it, but we just painted the Mac truck dog on it, and then we got painted black on that. The stack's black. Cleaned it up. Made it look really pretty. This one's the cheaper go-kart, the Kmart one. Pretty fast. Still does its job. Now this one here was her first go-kart. Right there. Then the dump truck. This one's a beast. Wasn't working before, but figured out it was a wiring issue, so I had to fully wire it differently now. This one, we're gonna go to one of their little cousins eventually. Get that working on 12 volts. Who's gone to?
Rocky's place.
And then the red Mustang. This thing's actually pretty cool. This is Everly's favourite. Then the trusty forklift. This one here, they got this when they were, well, I think you guys were 5 years old when you got this one. I've had that for a while now. And there's that red Jeep. So far, that's their haul. And they all work. You guys like all their haul, and we'll show you some of them driving around. You want to drive the bit? How many do we have?
10.
10 cars. Oh, someone's still got a bit of a gummy mouth. Look at that mouth. You lost your tooth today. Well done, yeah?
Still
There rings. Yeah, buddy. We had to move that one manually because this doesn't have the batteries in it at the moment. So she's parked underneath there. Show you, this is the one. No, just go around. That away. This little girl is such a good driver. Maybe the Jeep, we'll put the Jeep over there. So unfortunately the forklift doesn't run at the moment because there's no battery in it, and so doesn't this guy. And that one over there. Just out there.
Outside?
Yep. That'll do. That one. Yep. Battery is low.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
That one's parked. And what we'll do, we'll put it behind, in front of the Jeep. This one's pretty cool. Get a full start with the key and everything. I have to somehow manage to connect the tailgate to do the tilt. At the moment it doesn't tilt because I had to full rewire the whole system. So at the moment the only way to do the tilt is you physically got to tilt it. So it's pretty cool. So leave there. Sweet. I don't know, just drive around there. This has, originally it had 12 volts running to it. For some reason you put 18 volts in it, it's an absolute weapon. There we go. It's a weapon.
Okay, now I'm gonna go do the.
Perfect. She got that on point. Look at that. So far, hold on, let me change the brightness here. So far as, which one's your favorite out of all these cars? You got a lot to choose from.
I'm going to the garage. I think Gabriella. Gabriella said well.
Is that your favorite one?
Yeah, Gabriella.
If I make that one go faster, what do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Jeff is my second. And
Who?
third,
What's his name?
Jeff.
Jeff. Is that Jeff?
Yeah.
Okay. So then they're now naming all their cars.
Mac is my favorite.
Okay. Third favorite. I don't want to hand out. Oh, sorry. I don't want to give away all my secrets to how to make these power on ride-ons go too fast, but there are a lot of videos on YouTube already showing you how to do this. Originally, these cars would have came with a 12 to 6 volt battery, but I bumped it up to 18 volts. And I'll show you how the connection works. As you want to do the honors, you're going to put the batteries in. So this is one of the Jeeps. I bought this attachment that goes into the battery, like so. It goes in there, you close the lid, and then you can just this one doesn't have an on-off switch, but it has a fuse, so if anything goes wrong, it pops the fuse. There's also a way to rewire it, so it uses the 18 volts. It doesn't use the motherboard. If you look in this one, there used to be a motherboard in here. I.e. example, there used to be, this has a motherboard in it there, which is there. But it also uses 18 volts, whereas this one here doesn't have a motherboard and it uses a nice 18 volts to it. You can put these in series to make 36 volts. That rips. I mean, I'll show you quickly. You see, we've got two 18 volt batteries here. That equates to 36 volts. Now, you wire them in series, which I have done in here. Battery goes in. Battery goes in. Oh, battery goes in. We've now got 36 volts running through the veins of this girl. Now, Miss Azalea here is going to demonstrate to you what it can do. Alright. Make sure the seatbelt, safety first. Huh? Yeah, so this one here has obviously high and low. We're going to go high and go into drift mode. Oh, crikey, hello. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Are you glad I
Now, that's what 36 volts can do on such a beautiful little go-kart like that. You have fun? You got scared, didn't you? You did, didn't you? Hope you enjoyed the video of all the girls' ride-ons, and thanks for tuning in. We're logging off. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're brand new, and I appreciate all the likes and views that I get. Thanks, fam. This is TABACHOY out. Everyone. Woo.
Bye.